Hello engineers, welcome to SK Networking class. Today we are going to discuss about IP Networking Exam Essential Part 2. This part will help you to understand CSMA CD, half-duplex and full-duplex communication, Ethernet frame, Ethernet cabling, sections of MAC address, type of Ethernet cabling, encapsulation process, console connectivity and Cisco 3-layer model. The topics which we are going to discuss also help you for your exam and interview preparations. So let's start. So the first question is, describe the operations of carrier sense multiple access with collision detection, CSMA CD. So CSMA CD is a protocol that helps devices share the bandwidth evenly without having two devices transmit at the same time on the network medium. Although it does not eliminate collision, it helps to greatly reduce them, which reduces retransmission, resulting in a more efficient transmission of data for all devices. And the second question is, differentiate half-duplex and full-duplex communication and define the requirement to utilize each method. So full-duplex Ethernet uses two pairs of wire instead of one wire pair, like half-duplex. Full-duplex allows for sending and receiving at the same time, using different wires to eliminate collisions, while half-duplex can send or receive but not at the same time and still can suffer collision. To use full duplex, the devices at both ends of the cable must be capable of and configured to perform full duplex. And the third question is, describe the sections of a MAC address and the information contained in each section. So the answer is, the MAC or hardware address is a 48 bits address written in a hexadecimal format. The first 24 bits or 3 bytes are called the organizationally unique identifier, which is assigned by the IEEE to the manufacturer of the NIC. The balance of the number uniquely identify the NIC. So the next balance number like 24 bits will be remaining, that will a number uniquely identifies the NIC. The fourth question is, identify the binary and hexadecimal equivalent of a decimal number. So the decimal number we can also write in a binary and the hexadecimal as well. So any number expressed in one format can also be expressed in the other two. The ability to perform this conversion is critical to understand IP addressing and subnetting. Also, I just wanted to share you one more thing, like please visit to our website and blog where you learn a lot about IP networking. Also visit and like our Facebook page where we publish IP networking related question answer and other technologies every day. You can get those links in descriptions. The fifth question is, identify the fields in the data link portion of an Ethernet frame. The answer is, the field in the data link portion of a frame include the preamble, start frame delimiter, destination MAC address, source address, length or type, data and frame check sequence. Question is, identify the IEEE physical standards for Ethernet cabling. And the answer is, these standards describe the capabilities and physical characteristics of various cable types and include but not limited to 10 base 2, 10 base 5 and 10 base T. The seventh question is, differentiate types of Ethernet cabling and identify their proper applications. The three types of cables that can be created from an Ethernet cable are straight through cable, which we can use to connect a PCs or a router's Ethernet interface to a hub or switch. Second one is a crossover, which helps to connect hub to switch to switch, or PC to PC. And the third cable is a rolled cable, which helps for a console connection from a PC to a router or a switch. The next question is, describe the data encapsulation process and the role it plays in packet creation. So the answer is, data encapsulation is a process whereby information is added to the frame from each layer of the OSI model. This is also called packet creation. Each layer communicates only with its peers layer on the receiving device. And the next question is, understand how to connect a console cable from a PC to a router and start hyperterminal. Take a rolled cable and connect it from the COM port of the host to the console port of a router. Start terminal and set the bits per second to 9600 and flow control to none. And the last question from this section is, identify the layers in the Cisco 3 model and describe the ideal function of each layer. So the three layers in the Cisco hierarchical model are the core, which is responsible for transporting large amount of traffic both reliably and quickly. Second one is the distribution, which provides routing, filtering, and WAN access. And the last one is access, work group connectivity into a distribution layer. I hope this video will help you to understand those topics which we discussed. If you have any question, any query, any concern, please write in a comment box section, and also subscribe the channel to get the notification of all the video which we are going to publish soon that are related to IP networking, and those video will help you for your exam preparation and for your interview. Thanks for your time. Thank you.